everyone, and welcome back to a Very Bari Minute, a series all about bariatrics. The product featured for August is Drive Medical's Drop Arm Bariatric Commode.
Featuring a durable, deeper, and wider snap-on seat, as well as padded armrest and backrest for reassurance and stability, this commode is great for everyday use. The armrests provide a comfortable place to rest when sitting and indicate a safe place to grab, making sitting and standing easier. For users using a wheelchair, the tool-free drop arms make lateral transfers to and from this commode easy and safe. The gray powdered coated steel construction provides strength and comes complete with an extra large commode bucket that can be removed. This commode comes complete with a 12-quart commode bucket and cover that removes from the front. Specifications include a height of 17.5 inches to 22 inches, a seat dimension of 23.25 inches by 18.5 inches, a weight of 21 pounds, and a weight capacity of 1,000 pounds.
HME stocks these commodes in all locations. Call me today to trial the Drive Medical Drop Arm Bariatric Commode. Visit the link in the description below for more information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Very Bari Minute.